Hi everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to be cooking a shrimp boil foil pack. Okay, so for your ingredients, you're going to need some peeled and deveined shrimp. I've got jumbo shrimp. You'll also need some corn on the cob. You could either use fresh or frozen. Today I had frozen and I just cut them in half. You'll also need some andoille sausage cut in slices, some red potatoes cut in pieces, some potato medley, kosher salt, pepper, parsley flakes, and Cajun seasoning, and a lemon. So now we're going to make some foil packs, and you want to take foil about this size. I'm just going to turn this over, and then we're going to start adding some of our ingredients. We'll start by adding 8 shrimps, about 8 sausages, a few potatoes, a couple corns. Now we want to go in with some olive oil. Now we want to go in with just a little bit of kosher salt, some pepper, some Cajun seasoning. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, and I'm going to go ahead and add some onion powder as well. Now we want to add some parsley flakes or fresh parsley, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon on top. Now with my hands, I'm going to go ahead and just mix it all up to make sure everything gets nice and coated with all the spices. If you need to add more spices, feel free to do so. I'm going to add a couple of slices of lemon, and then I'm just going to come in with this butter spray and just spray a little bit on top. Then we're going to fold it over. And our foil pack is ready. You want to put it in a sheet pan in the oven. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes or until potatoes are done. It smells so good and tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe.